So welcome back to the channel. So today the video is going to be, I recorded it a few days ago. It's just going to be my father-in-law and I taking that battery apart and seeing what's inside, trying to reveal exactly what chemistry the batteries are, the cells are I should say, so that I can have a better idea of why they perform or don't perform. So that's what today's video is going to be. Thanks for watching. That's kind of also satisfying, because I'm curious why they would put the same sticker
over a sticker.
Over a sticker. It seems as though the sticker on the bottom is a better sticker. Unless they're just rebranding another company's thing.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say.
But China won't do that though.
Yeah. That's some guy running the night shift over there in China. And he's taking their batteries and selling them as his.
How do we bust this thing open?
I always have fun with power tools.
We may have to get there. Because it feels completely hollow.
Oh, just cut around here. The whole thing, just the lid comes. There's nothing back there.
Well, I'm thinking, I was wondering if these are screwed on as a part of the way to secure it down.
Okay.
You know what I mean? There's like if they're threaded underneath here for some reason. I don't know, but because even if it has to be some way these are put on. These are put on secondary. Because as you can see,
I think there's a cable in there.
Think so? Yep. You put your bets on a cable?
Put my bets on a cable. There's a cable from the pack to the whatever you want to call that.
So what do you put your bets on that it is actually lithium iron phosphate chemistry?
Oh, I don't think so.
We hit that lip right here, it might just pop the whole the top of that case off. This is with surgical precision. We only do stuff like this with surgical precision.
We'll get a pound top.
There you go. Where do you want me to hold it at?
Hold it down in the middle.
Just put my hand right here. Oh. Exactly what I thought. Look.
A cable, I won that bet.
You gotta be kidding me. Look at this. Oh, okay. That's for the battery leads. Okay. I thought this was the power cable.
Oh, no.
I was about to be like, we were pulling lots of current through that. Okay. Well, that's pretty cool.
Let me stick my hand. Oh, it smells just like China.
COVID-22.
Huh. Those are lithium cells. I'll flip it back up.
Let's make sure that doesn't touch the case. Okay, so here we go. It does smell like China. So here is the terminals. They are just screwed down. That's awesome. Good solid construction there. And then it looks like it's got a BMS here. So BMS, and then it's got, looks like, you know exactly what them cells look like?
What?
Let me grab one. Those cells look like these cells that I bought off Battery Hookup. I say we take it apart. This is hilarious. So it is 800 cold cranking amps. Right? The battery terminal is rated for 80 amps. That is
Well, let's do one at a time to be safe. Oh, that's molded in there. Oh.
You got one hand. I think I'm definitely going to reuse this case.
Mm-hmm.
At least they soldered the end and crimped it.
This is the special one, the red one.
Ooh. Makes everybody feel special.
The red one makes fire.
It's got some wigglies in it. Be uber careful with those.
We gotta be getting out some more tools.
Yeah, I would get long. Do you have long screwdrivers? And the reason why, because you got to go right past the positive and negative on these. Ah, look at that.
That should do it.
That's skill right there. Come prepared.
Satisfying electric motor sound. Is there any hurt me stuff down on that side?
Now, unless you make a connection.
What are those things? Laser weld, looks like.
Yeah. Look at that one. They burnt that one a little bit.
Look at that.
Guess they were planning on having some current. I mean, it is decent sized 6-gauge wire.
Yeah.
I mean, I wouldn't want to put. I guess they cut this one right here a little short. They cut it a little short, so they just soldered it and put some heat shrink on it.
Wow. Desperate to save wire. This is a little box. Box of metal.
There's a little fiberglass plate for insulating. That's the BMS. And then I'm kind of curious how this thing is set up now. It pulled 500 amps, or it maxed out my load meter. And then when I froze it, it would only pull 300.
That's typical lithium.
They put a fiberglass panel right here where the positive and negative terminals were on the battery. So that was nice. So here we go. I have no clue what they mean, but I don't know that I need to yet. That is a lithium ion balancer. Thanks for watching. So I'm not real sure if the chemistry of those cells are lithium iron phosphate or lithium ion. I do know that that balancer is rated for lithium ion. I know that balancers can do multiple chemistries, but they appear to me to be lithium ion. I'm not sure. I haven't got an answer from the manufacturer. I asked for it earlier when I first started doing these videos, and they sent me the same PDF data sheet that they keep sending me. So I don't have any real answers on what chemistry it is, but what I do know is it looks and appears to be lithium ion. We'll find out if they send me a data sheet. I doubt it. A couple of issues that I found is it's rated for 800 cold cranking amps, but it's got 80 amp terminals that connect it to the battery post. And that's kind of concerning, especially with it being inside your vehicle. I'd hate for one of those terminals melt and then the battery cable to drop off and then arc and create all kinds of problems. That would be a pretty big issue for me. Otherwise, I really like the battery. I thought it was a neat case. I'm probably going to reuse the case. I'm just not liking those terminals. So what I'll probably end up doing is just change the terminals out to something that's more heavy duty, and then I'll be able to use that battery how I want to. So thanks for watching.